Real DevOps pipeline, from code to production. What happens after you write code? Real development doesn't end at coding. It starts there. Step-by-step pipeline: code push to repo, GitHub the tool runs tests, Jenkins build container, Docker deploy via orchestration, Kubernetes run in cloud, Amazon Web Services. What each step does: testing ensures code quality, build packages, application deploy makes it live. Why this matters: automation reduces human errors, deployment time, system failures, real-world benefit. Companies deploy updates daily, even hourly. Key skill: understanding the pipeline is more important than just coding. The final take: writing code is step 1. Delivering it reliably is real engineering. Rocket emoji.